So the next area that we have to discuss, it's smaller topic.
Yes.
And name of topic is markup and margin. Okay. Name of topic is markup and margin. This small area. Now, if you remember, in your previous studies, we have studied these two terms, markup and margin. Do you remember anything about markup and margin?
Markup was on the cost while margin was on the selling price.
Yes, exactly. Basically, markup and margin both are profit. Markup and margin both are profits. Okay. So markup and margin are two ways to calculate the profit, and these two are profits. Okay. Now, if we talk about the markup, so it is profit as a percentage on cost. Okay. Markup is profit as a percentage on cost, and margin is profit as a percentage on sales. Okay. Margin is profit as a percentage on sale. Okay. So markup is on cost and margin is on sales. Now, for example, if cost is 1000, okay, cost is 1000 and markup is 20%. Okay, cost is 1000 and markup is 20%. Now, requirement is calculate selling price. Okay, now there is an approach named as SCP. There is an approach named as SCP. S stands for sales, C stands for cost, and P stands for profit. Okay. So this approach you have to use sales, cost, and profit. Now see, they are saying that markup. So whenever they say about markup, it means that cost is 100%. Means cost is 100%. Okay. And profit is 20%. So tell me that selling price should be equivalent to how much?
120%.
Yes, 120%. Okay. So markup 20% means simply cost is 100%, profit is 20%, and sales will be 120%. Okay. Now, if we have any one of from these three, like if we have single cost or profit, any of these three items, any one of from these three items. So with the help of that item, we can find the remaining two as well. Okay. So here from sales, cost, and profit, which item we have?
We have the markup.
Yeah,
markup and the
in
cost.
terms of amount. In terms of amount, we have cost. Okay. So we have cost that is of 1000 and cost is equivalent to 100%. Cost is equivalent to 100%. Okay.
100%.
Now we have to find out the price. Now price is equivalent to how much percent? Price is equivalent to 120%. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply with 120 as we have to find the 120% amount. So we have to multiply it with 120 and have to divide it with 100. Okay. So 1000 into 120 divided by 100. Okay. So sales is basically 1200. Okay. So sales is basically 1200. Okay. So simply the approach is SCP approach. Sales, cost, and profit. Markup is 20%, so profit is 20%. Cost will be 100%, so selling price will be 120%. Now we have cost out of these three things. So this cost is equivalent to 100%. Okay. Now we have to find out the price, and price is equivalent to 120%. So we have to multiply it with 120 and divide it with 100 in order to get the amount of sales. So it is 1200. Okay. Now, remember one thing in markup, cost is always 100%. Okay. In markup, cost is always 100%. Okay. Now, next example. Selling price is 1800. Okay. Selling price is 1800. Markup is 50%, okay? Now they are asking for cost. That cost is equivalent to how much, okay? Now, simply what approach we have to use?
Selling price that is 150%.
Yeah, no, approach, SCB approach, okay?
Yeah.
Now, markup means cost is
50%.
cost.
Cost is 100%.
Yes, profit is?
Profit is 50%.
Yes, so it will be equivalent to 50%, okay?
150%.
Yes, now
We
what?
have 150%.
Yes, now what we have sales that is equivalent to 150%, okay? Now we need to find out the cost. So what we have to do?
1,800 into 100
divided by
150.
Yes, exactly. So our cost will be 1,800 into 100 divided by 150. So it is,
1,200.
yes, exactly. It is 1,200. Okay.
200.
This is 1,200. Now, I'm giving you some question. Okay. Apply these three questions. Okay. In first one, we need to find out the profit.
Yes.
In second one, we need to find out the price, and in third one, we need to find out the cost. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so if we have done, then let's discuss the answers.
The first one, the profit that is 60% is 300.
Profit is 60%. Yes, mark the cost is
Cost is 100%, that is 500.
yes. And the price is how much percent?
The price is 160%, that is
Yes.
800.
Yes. So how to get the profit?
800 divided by 160 into 60. Or
Yes.
800 into 160 by 60.
Yes. What would be the answer?
The profit was 300.
Yes.
The cost was 500.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Now
Yes.
next one, the second one.
The
We have to find
the
out the
markup
price.
is
Yes.
yes. The profit that is 80%
Yes.
is they have given the cost 100% 300. So the
Yes.
profit 80% is 240.
So what we have, sir, we have cost that is 3,000. Okay. Now we need to find out the price.
300.
So what we need to do?
It's,
3,000
the price is nothing but into 100 by 180.
No, into
We have to
180.
find the selling price into 180 by 100.
Yes, exactly. So what should be the price?
5,400.
Sorry, how much it is?
5,400.
Yes, 5,400. So it is 5,400. Okay.
400.
Yes. Now in third one.
Third one, the 100%. No, they've given 10% is 4,000.
Yes.
So we have to find for 100%. That
Yes.
is 4,000 into 100 divided by 10.
Yes. So how
Which
much
is 40,000.
Yes, exactly. So this 40,000. Okay. So markup simply on profit percentage on cost, and the markup cost is always 100%. Okay. Now margin. What is margin? Profit
Margin is part of the selling price.
is a percentage on sales. Okay. So in margin, what is 100%?
Selling price of sales.
Yes, in margin, sales is always
Selling price is the 100%.
yes, sales is always 100%. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, if selling price is 1,000, now they are saying that margin is 10%. Okay. Now, simply requirement is cost. Requirement is cost. So, what approach we have to use? SCP approach. Okay. Margin is 10%, means profit is 10%. Now, what will be 100% here?
The selling price is 100%.
Yes, and
The
how
cost
much?
will be 90%.
Yes, cost is 90%. And what we have out of these three things?
We have the selling price that is 1,000.
Yes. Now what we have to find?
We have to find cost.
Yes. So what
So
we
it's
have to do?
1,000
Into
1,000 into 90 divided by 100.
100. So it
That's
should be,
900.
yes, it is 900. Okay. So it is 900. Okay. Now these are three questions. Distance. How can I these four questions? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we have to discuss the answers for these questions. Okay. So see the first question, the cost is 7,000 and margin is 30%. Okay. And we have to find
Yes.
out the
So
price. So approach
the
will
cost
be
becomes 70%.
cost will be sorry, approach will be SCP. Margin is 30%. So cost will be
70%,
and
which is
selling
7,000.
yes, and selling price is
100.
100%. Okay. Now what we have out of these three things?
We have 7,000.
Yes. Now we have to find the price. So what we have to do?
7,000 divided into 30. We have to find selling price, sorry, into 100 divided by 70%.
Yes. So how much?
It is 10,000.
So selling price is
10,000.
10,000. Okay. Now next one.
And we have a selling price that is 100 as
We have sorry,
2,000.
selling price is equal
We
to
have selling
100%.
price for 100% as 2,000.
That is 9,000. Margin is 20% and cost is 80%.
I was doing the other question.
We are doing this one right now. Okay?
Yes.
So what we have out of these three things?
We have 9,000 as 20%.
Yes. Now what we have calculated the price. So what we have to do?
We have to selling
9,000.
price, so 9,000 into 100.
Yes, divided by
100 divided by 20.
Yes. So it should be
45,000.
yes, exactly. It is 45,000. Okay. So the answer is 45,000. Yes. Okay, now the next one.
Next one, we have selling price as 2,000
Yes.
and margin is 15%.
Yes. Cost is
15% is 2,000.
2,000 into
2,000 into 85
divided by
divided by 100.
100. So it will be
1,700.
yes, exactly 1,700. Okay. Now the fourth one,
700.
SCP approach. Margin is 25%. Sales is 100% and cost is 75%. Okay. What we have a cost of 15,000
We have cost.
into 25.
We have to find profit into 25 divided by 75.
Yes, so it will be
It is 5,000.
this 5,000. This 5,000. Okay. We are done with these questions.
5,000.
Yes. Now next one.
Yes.
Conversion of markup to margin. Okay. Conversion of markup to margin. Okay. Now see, for example, if in a question they have given us that 25% markup. Okay. Now they are asking that what will be the margin. Okay. Now they are asking that what will be the margin. Now how we have to convert the markup into margin. Okay. Simply see what is markup. Markup is profit percentage on cost, right? And margin is profit percentage on sales.
Profit on cost.
Yes, and margin is profit on sales. Now we have to find out the margin, right? So it is profit on sales. Okay. So it is profit on sales. Okay. Now simply see if it is a margin. So SCP. If profit is 25%, let us suppose. Then if it is a margin, so sales will be sorry. Currently see it is a markup, right?
Yes.
Currently,
Because
see,
we're taking
currently it is, yes,
25%
currently it is a
markup.
markup. Currently it is a markup. You have to convert from markup to margin. Okay. Currently it is a markup. Okay. So cost will be 100%. So selling price will be 125%. Okay. So currently see in a markup, cost is 100%, profit is 25, and selling price is 125. Okay. Now we have to convert the markup into margin. Okay. Now we have to take the profit over sales. Profit is 25 and sales is 125. Okay. Into 100. Okay. So 25 divided by 125, it is 20% margin. It is 20% margin. Okay. So if it is a 25% markup, so if we convert it to margin, it will be equal to 20%. Okay. So margin is equal to 20%. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if we have to convert for 10% markup, okay, we have to convert the 10% markup into margin. How we can currently see it is a markup. So markup in markup 100% is cost, profit is 10%, so price is 110%, okay? Price is 110%.
And
So we have to convert the markup into margin.
10 into 100.
Yes, 10 upon
10, 110
yes.
into 100.
Yes, so it will be 9.09%. It will be 9.09%. Okay. Simply profit over sales is margin. So profit is 10%, sales is 110%. So in margin it is 9.09%. Okay. Now so let us suppose we have to convert 20% markup into margin. Now how we can SCP markup is 100%, profit is 20%, and sales is 120%. Okay. Now we have to convert. So we will take profit over sales into 100. Okay. So how much profit is 20?
20 by 120 into 100.
Yes. So it will be 16.66%. Okay. Simply markup in markup cost is 100%. If profit is 10%, it will be 110%, but we have to convert it to margin. Margin is profit over sales. So profit is this and sale is this. The profit over 200. Simply it is the answer for margin. Okay. Now we have to convert. So this thing is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert margin to
Markup.
markup. Okay. Now how we can? For example, if 10% is margin, okay. Now they are asking you that calculate markup. Okay. Now they're asking you to calculate markup. Now see currently it is margin, right? So SCP, sales is 100%, profit is 10%, and cost is 90%. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is markup? Markup is profit over
Profit over selling price.
no markup profit
No,
over
over
cost.
cost. Over cost. Sorry.
Yes. So profit is 10%, sales is sorry, cost is 90%. Okay. Into 100. So it will be 11.11%. Okay. So it will be 11.11%. Okay. Simply currently it is a margin. So we have set up like this that SCP sales is 100%, profit is 10%, cost will be 90%. So when we have set, once we have set this approach in these values, after that we have to see that we have to convert it into markup. So markup is profit over cost. So profit is 10, cost is 90. So 10 upon 90 to 100 it is 11.11%. Okay. Now, for example, if margin is 15%, okay. Now requirement is calculate markup. Now how we can SCP, it is a margin. So sales is 100%, profit is 15%. Okay. So cost will be 85%. Okay. Now what we have to do?
And find the mark.
Markup is profit
Profit.
over cost. So profit is 15
Profit.
and cost is 85 into 100. Okay. So 15 divided by 85 into 100. So it is 17.64.
17.64.
Yes, 17.64%. Okay. Now, for example, if margin is 20%, okay? Margin is 20%. Now they are asking you to calculate the markup. Okay. To simply see, margin is 20%. They are asking for markup. So approach will be SCP. Okay. In margin, sales 100%, profit 20%, and cost is 80%. Okay. Now we have to find the markup, means cost over, sorry, profit over
Profit
cost.
over cost.
Yeah, profit over cost. Profit over cost into 100. Okay. So profit is 20 and cost is 80 into 100. Okay. So 20 divided by 80 into 100. So it is 25%. It is 25%. Okay. So in this way, we can calculate the margin into markup. And in the above examples, we have seen that how we can convert the markup into margin. Okay. And in the above scenarios, we have seen that how we can calculate the sales, cost, or profit with this SCP approach. Okay. So it was a small, separated, easy topic that we have covered. Is everything is clear? Everything perfect? Is everything is clear till now? Hello? Hello? Everything is clear till now? Can you hear me? I'm asking that
Yes, ma'am, I
is
can hear
everything
you.
is yes, is everything is clear till now?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. So I was asking that is everything is perfect till now, clear everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this topic is ended here, okay?